Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. There's snow all over the ground. I'm gonna eat it if I don't watch where I'm going. We got so much snow. I'm definitely gonna be late to class because it starts at 8. But Grace and Allie were here over the weekend, so I'm gonna insert all those videos here.
Hey guys, it's Grace.
Hey guys.
We're all in the car. We just went shopping.
Hey guys.
And I got scammed.
$90 shoe cleaner, but then returned.
Do you want to give a story time?
Yeah, no, so he pretty much just sweet talked me into like buying this shoe cleaner, and then it ended up being $90, which was outrageous for shoe cleaner. But my Jordans look, oh, not the bottom, but they look really clean now. So that's my story of getting scammed. I returned it though. I went back with Katie and I returned it. I said, hey guys, sorry, I have no money in my account for this. So thanks so much.
It's currently snowing. It was fun to just be out in the real world. We've been really enjoying the snow and taking pictures. Our day started, we woke up at like 10:30. We went to the dining hall so Katie could spend her swipes on us, and honestly, Allison and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Wait, drive the vehicle.
It's my first time driving in the snow.
Let's hope she does well.
So we shopped till we dropped. Not actually, we didn't really get that much other than Andy's $90 shoe cleaner. Katie got a super puff. Okay, Andy, go ahead.
She wasn't leaving until we did that.
Aritzia leather pants. I feel like
They're so cute. They
yeah,
look
the
so
original
good.
one. They were on sale.
I just got this basic gray top to wear with like black sweats to class. I feel like it'll go with a lot.
Yes.
Grace and I probably tomorrow have to get to the airport really early because the Denver airport is
There you go.
so crowded. But it's so pretty. Like, just look at it outside.
Pray for my
Oh,
legs.
it's perfect. And it's snowing. Pray for us as Catherine is driving the vehicle. So look at the snow. There's Spirit Halloween. We're back from our shopping adventure. It's like 6 something right now. This is the air mattress that's been in here. I have to show you guys the whole setup because it's been so chaotic. That's why I haven't really vlogged. So it's freezing and we're gonna go play in the snow. Kay and I did indeed sleep in the twin XL. I didn't wake up once in the middle of the night, I don't think. I think I woke up once, but that was just because you went to the bathroom. 5 girls in here is crazy, but it's working, so. And it's only for what, 2 nights? This is a super puff I went with. I was gonna get the black color, but I have this black heated jacket and I have that black boulder jacket, that vintage one I got on Etsy, so I figured I would switch it up and go with this one, and I love it. It has these built-in little hand mittens. Mittens, is that right?
They're not really mittens. It's just like thumb holes.
It's a bit of a disaster back here. Here's the super puff. I'm so cozy. And these are the thumb things that are built into the jacket. I feel like a marshmallow. Also, Grace is a horrible influence when shopping because she convinces me to buy a lot of things that I don't need. And this is what I got today.
Period.
It's also from Aritzia. This is the scene. Kira's getting ready. But we're having our like rotting in bed time before we get up and do anything else. It's our first time scraping snow off of a car.
It's covered again.
There's so much snow. This is our rental car for the weekend. I did the same thing with Matt when he was visiting. I rented a car for the weekend because it's just so much cheaper than Ubering. We went out the past 2 nights, but it's just way too cold to do anything tonight, so we're gonna go get sushi. Woohoo! And then get bundled up and just have a fun little golf night. Yes, literally. I'll insert footage from last night. I was a banana.
It was a banana. Banana.
We went out the past 2 nights.
So it is.
I'll insert videos from last night. I was a banana. Grace was breakfast at Tiffany's, and Allie was
last night.
Allie!
You guys actually have an interrupting problem.
Grace was breakfast at Tiffany's, and Allie was a 70s dancer. Why are you doing those faces? I was so no. We're off on our adventure. What makes this sushi and then have a watch?
Allison, that's a really bad habit.
What makes the snow so interesting is that
Allison! If you keep interrupting her, she's just gonna keep talking, and then that means she's gonna go longer and longer, and that's more time for you to not speak.
Everyone has told me that the weather in Colorado is very bipolar. It's very up and down, and the snow is so weird right now because it's not supposed to snow again, at least as far as all the weather stuff says. Whoa. Until mid-November.
Holy crap.
Okay, we gotta go. I don't know. I've never driven the snow before.
And we're choosing to vlog.
I'm doing my best. Yeah, I gotta stop. First course is miso soup.
Yeah, but like, I don't.
Next up is edamame. I could eat this whole bowl
I could too.
in one sitting. Me and Allison are sharing this chicken. I'm back from class on the couch in my girl outfit. I love this couch. I always come out here to film stuff sometimes or call people or just sit because Emily and Kara are still sleeping right now. I feel like everyone's getting sick because it's cooled down so much this week. It's 10:18. I feel like I'm giving very much hard-boiled egg this morning. The mission for today is to just get everything cleaned and reorganized. My closet, I feel like, is a disaster. Side of the dorm's not super messy. It's just dirty. You know what I mean? Like, I haven't dusted, I haven't Swiffered, vacuumed in like a week and a half. And since Allie and Grace were here, we just had 3 people in that little space. Allie and I slept in the same bed. I think I mentioned this in the clips I just inserted. And Grace was on the air mattress. And I just feel like I need to clean and reorganize, and it's already halfway through the semester, so I haven't really reorganized anything since I moved in. I am so cozy. I was so scared for the cold weather and the snow, but it's been so fun. I think so dramatically when I think long term. When I initially left, I was like, I'm never coming back to California. My life will never be the same. I talked about that a little bit in this video. And when I was thinking about the cold weather, I was just so dramatic about it. And I know it's gonna get so much worse. It's been cold for less than a week. I know this is just the tip of the iceberg, but it's been new and exciting and fun. And in my mind, once it started snowing, it was never gonna stop, and it was just gonna straight snow for 4 months, 5 months. I have to leave it about an hour, and I don't want to start cleaning or organizing anything because they're still sleeping, and it would just wake them up and make way too much noise. So I think I'm just gonna edit out here and get as much computer work done as I can before I go to yoga. I've literally had Rich Baby Daddy by Drake stuck in my head all day because I was on TikTok last night and I posted a TikTok and the audio was partly, I think someone's coming, the audio was partly that song and it was literally stuck in my head. It was the RAs. Anyway, horrible lyrics, but it was very motivating. Hey guys! We are done with yoga. It was killer, as usual.
It was killer. Shout out Camille.
We love Camille. She's the instructor. And we're listening to our worship music and we're gonna go get Sweet Green. So
it's a great day to be alive.
It's a great day. And it feels so good to walk out into the cold after being at room, because it's basically like hot yoga.
Everyone hit up your local Core Power. It's awesome.
Is the best. You just feel so good after. Like, it sucks when you're
really
actually working out, but
yes,
it feels good.
Amen. I can't believe it's Halloween. What the heck?
I know, it's also Halloween.
That's crazy.
For the record, this is a million times better than the dining hall salad. It's not bad, but this is just so much better. I don't know if you can even see me, but it's warm enough for us to eat outside. No, look, what happens if you don't pay it?
Katie's trying to go to jail, apparently. Like, just pay the ticket. It's not that hard.
It's time. I'm back, and I'm looking like a nightmare, and so is my room. I spent the last like hour making my thumbnail and putting the finishing touches on this video. She's posted if you have not seen it yet. And I feel gross from that class. I'm still super sweaty. I have all this laundry to do, plus I need to wash my sheets, so I'm crossing my fingers that multiple washers are open, and I just need to get everything else sorted in here. Dorm dust really is a real thing, and it builds up so fast if you don't stay on top of dusting and cleaning. You can see the layer of dust. There's so much of it. A lot of it collects up here too, and everything else in the room is also kind of messy. Obviously, I'm gonna clean the mirrors, clean all the surfaces. I literally have a sweater over this light because I didn't want to wake up Kira because I was filming for an ad and it was really late, so I had this over the hood so it wouldn't brighten the whole room. This is embarrassing to show and it's disgusting, but it's also real life as a busy college student because you're living in such a small space and things can get so cluttered and so messy really easily. And it's just part of growing up to learn how to clean your own space. Obviously my mom taught me all growing up, but we also had house cleaners when I was in high school that would come and clean every other week. Obviously I don't have that luxury anymore. I have to stay on top of keeping everything clean and organized. The plan is I'm gonna do my laundry, shower, do my whole everything shower, reset. Basically all of yesterday I was working on my computer, catching up on everything I didn't do over the weekend. So today is the full reset day, and then I'll clean everything, organize it, cycle the laundry through. Specifically, I want to organize the closet. This is technically my pajama basket, but there's no method to this madness, and this is the drying rack, and it goes over and just creates so much clutter. All the shoes down here. I do have a nice system going with these baskets. I made these when I moved in, and I did a laundry one and a cleaning one, and all the medicine went in here. These are the flowers from my sorority initiation, but it's time to get rid of these, and the cords are their own train wreck. This is just so long, and I don't know what to do with it. And lastly, we have these drawers. I tried to do this systematically and it stayed pretty organized with where things go. It's okay, I feel like I don't need to do much. And all this has to be done within the next 2 hours, so I have time to work on homework. I guess I could do some work when I get back too. We have our Halloween dinner tonight at the DG house and we have to go in costume. This is like actually scary. Ugh. Happy Halloween. It is literally my lucky day because these are both open. I did the dishes and mostly everything is all tidied. That way it's ready for me to clean off, clean the floors, all that. So I'm gonna get my stuff out of the wash and then get the shower. I'm ready to shower. I also just had this meeting with my RA since we're midway through the semester. It was just a check-in kind of thing, and it's already 4:15, and I have to leave in 30 minutes, so I'm probably gonna have to resume my cleaning after I go to the house because I wanted to shower and shave. If you're looking for a good body wash or body scrub, this is the stuff. It smells so good. Allie used it when she was here, and she's hounding me for photos of it. All these scrubs are insane. All clean. I feel like a new woman. We're walking to Halloween dinner.
So excited.
Bryn drove us, thank God. And I'm a banana once again.
I'm Tigger, a Formula 1 driver. The dinner for tonight is pasta.
Here she is. I don't even recognize you. What's going on?
I'm the Mona Lisa.
Here's the dessert spread. There's so much. Some of the girls did, I didn't though. There's so much. Quick intermission from the cleaning.
Mom's taking me to Halloween.
We gotta go. I just dropped off Emily and I'm in the McDonald's drive-thru right now, and I'm gonna get me and Kira McFlurries. I feel so sad for her. She has strep throat and she's just so sick and miserable, so hopefully this will help. It does not feel like Halloween at all, and I think that's just because I'm not out doing anything. I'm shocked more people aren't out doing anything too. I think most stuff just happened over the weekend. I don't know, but it was fun to have that dinner because it made it feel more festive, and me and Kira are gonna watch Hocus Pocus when I get back. She said she didn't want anything, but I'm getting it for her anyway. Can I get 2 Oreo and M&M McFlurries, please? All right, next window, thank you. Thank you. Success.
Thank you.
Thank you. I always go in a high-pitched voice whenever I'm talking to any customer service people. My voice goes up like 6 octaves. I'm like, thank you. I do it subconsciously though. Thank you. Have a good night. Did it again. Hi guys, it's way later. I'm wearing the shirt from Delta Gamma Dad's weekend. I finished everything with my cleaning and organizing, which is just the best feeling ever. And I ended up going to one of my friend's dorms because she just needed someone to talk to. I was there for a while, but I'm back and getting ready for bed. Tomorrow was so busy. There was a lot of actual work and school stuff that I was supposed to do today that I just didn't get to. So I'm gonna need to do that tomorrow. And my big thing this week after today is that I'm really trying not to spend any money on outside food or transportation because there's so many resources that I have that I'm just not taking advantage of. I rode the bus yesterday when I went downtown to a coffee place. I have automatically $200 of lunch money. I put some in my pockets to bring because I couldn't carry it all in the camera. There's more. Anyway, I was trying to spend that sparingly, but I still have $134 left for the whole semester and we're halfway through. So if I logistically ration that out, I can spend a certain amount per week to keep it even, and I can get chais and coffees at the cafes that are on campus with that stuff. Being here, I've already spent just a ridiculous amount of money on travel, and I don't say that to be like, oh, look at all this money I'm spending. It's like a problem and I need to be smarter about it and more responsible. This kind of goes hand in hand with, oh, there's hair in the sink. That's really cute. It goes hand in hand with the cleaning thing. It's just part of growing up and life and learning how to be an adult. I'm ranting, but you get the gist. And I always feel like I don't say it enough, but I just want to thank you guys so much for your love and support constantly. Obviously, I wouldn't be here without you. I love getting to share my life with you and getting to share just figuring everything out. And I really just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for your love and support and kind messages. There's so much going on in the world. Everyone's personal lives, you never know what people are going through, but despite what we're constantly seeing on social media and the news, there is still so much good in the world, and we serve a good God. And I posted a little TikTok about this earlier, but love really is everywhere if you take the time to look around for it. It sounds so cheesy, but it's true. This is what I do when I'm doing my skincare at the end of the day and I'm filming. I start ranting. Anyway, on a completely different note, I got this mouthwash recently. Love it. I use the whitening strips from this brand too, and they're great. Enjoying my mouthwash.
Your what?
Mouthwash.
Mikey, say hi.
I'm obsessed with Matt's dogs. It's perfect. Oh my gosh.
Oh, where are you gonna roll over?
Good night. I will see you in the morning. I'm in my back like I never left, and it is time for me to grind. I'm gonna turn off the air purifier because it's so loud. I don't know if you can hear it all that well. It's nice to have on at night, but it's kind of overstimulating during the day. Today is a heavy work day. I have 2 ads to film. I think I'm just gonna be on my computer majority of the day, and then I have to go to kickball practice tonight, which I'm gonna talk about in my next video. It's a whole thing, and I don't know why I signed up to do it, but I have a lot of work to do today and deadlines to meet and things like that. Starting off with filming for a TikTok ad. I have 2 TikTok ads to film for today and a lot of school stuff that I didn't get around to yesterday. I'll end this with a little montage of my afternoon, but I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it could motivate you a little bit to get your space clean and organized. It blows my mind that November is already here, but lots of fun stuff coming up. I love you guys, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.